If you love food, there are several options for you to take your career. If you love food and the culinary side of food, and you want to blend that also with a passion and an interest in science, the culinology route is the way to go. If you love food and you love the culinary side and the management side of culinary, and you dream of running a kitchen, a restaurant, having a career there, the culinary management side of the program is the way to go. One of the options within the hospitality management major is a concentration in culinary management. And students in that concentration are developing skills to become supervisory chefs within the restaurant industry, the hotel industry, conventions, resorts, cafes. They could even start their own small business as a chef. Another option within the hospitality management major is a concentration in event planning and management. Students in this concentration are developing the leadership skills and the management skills to step into supervisory and management trainee roles within the hotel industry, within the hospitality industry, whether it's convention and event planning, working in private clubs, planning events there, just a large range of opportunities where they can leverage their skills.
I wasn't exactly sure to expect coming in because I'd never heard of a school in which you learned about hotels and event planning, but I thoroughly enjoyed my time here. We took a lot of field trips, so it's a very hands-on class in my opinion, because your experience is everything. Like, you can only learn so much in the books and the lessons, but once you see it put in action in real life, which is what events are and customer service is, it's even more beneficial moving forward because you see everything in action.
We have industry people coming in all the time. We have guest speakers coming in, which helps us to connect with them and network with them.
We have programs and clubs and activities that are really great to get involved with. We have a student hospitality club called Show Club. We have a culinology club. And beyond that, we have a specialized house for majors such as us to go into. There's so much to get involved with, so many things to do. It's been a great experience.
I chose SMSU because it was one of the few universities that were providing four-year program, hospitality program, and it's very affordable. And the tuition is the same for in-state, out-of-state, and international.
Students are going to find differentiation because they have the opportunity to work in small classes, have that one-on-one interaction with professors, get the hands-on practical experience, and learn all of those skills that are critical for them to become successful leaders within the food and hospitality industry.